fans, today we're not going to talk about a 10-inch or a 12-inch or 1000 RMS or 200 RMS. We're going to talk about true real power. And today we're going to talk about the G12 woofer, which is a 5000 RMS dual one woofer. Let me open the box and show you what's inside. So, a quick pick here. Alright, so as I told you, it's a 15-inch, 5000. You have your owner's manual here. You got your template, and this is how the woofer comes well protected. So let me show you on the outside. This is the woofer. Alright, so as said, this is a dual 1 ohm woofer. You got over 500 ounces of magnet. You got also an X-Max of 22.5 millimeters. Other stuff you want to see is 4 layers of spider, 4 layers of voice coil, which is flat aluminum wire. This woofer is suited up for real power and real competitors. So if you're serious about competition, you gotta get this baby over here. Log on to geniusaudioUSA.com and buy this woofer, test it, use it, abuse it, and you'll win competition. Stay tuned for more tech videos and more products from Genius Audio USA.